Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get an OPay ATM card. So I'm literally going to walk you through the step-by-step process. The first thing I'd like you to do is to start by launching your OPay app. Now once you do that and it takes you to the home screen, at the bottom navigation bar you'll see a tab labeled cards. So you see home, rewards, finance, cards, me. Select cards, tap on it to proceed, and you will land on a screen showing two card options at the top. You have virtual and you have physical card. So just swipe right to switch between virtual card or physical card views. I have my physical card already installed, so it might really be not so, we might literally not have so much to do. Okay, so we want to see how we can get the physical card, right, or the virtual card. Okay, let's just go ahead and start with the virtual card. So with virtual card selected, which is here, you're going to see a couple of options here, like instant access, representative origin, online merchant acceptance, and security. Now go ahead and click on this button that says get it now. Now once you click on get it now, the app will prompt you to confirm your details like your full name, OPay account data, and funding source. Go ahead and tap submit. Your virtual card details, card number, CVV expiration will display instantly. Now this is great for online or in-app payments anywhere Visa or MasterCard are accepted. For this physical card, oh, I already have its physical card right then. For physical card, just go ahead and swipe to physical card, and you're also going to see options. So if you don't have a physical card, just go ahead and tap on get it now. And OPay will ask for your delivery address, phone number, and may show shipping fees if any. So confirm by tapping confirm other. Your physical card will be shipped. Delivery time varies. Once you receive it, return to the card, physical card, and tap activate card to complete, usually by scanning the QR code on the card. Now virtual card is activated immediately. Just tap to view and copy your card number for online use. For physical card, once delivered, activate in-app via QR or info entry. Then it's ready for ATMs, POS, and online transactions. OPay advertises no maintenance fees and 10 free ATM withdrawals monthly. All right, so go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.